Good morning class, I am Lakshman Singh. Today we will start our new topic, volume and surface area of cylinder. So we have now new topic, mensuration. In this, first of all we will study volume and surface area of cylinder. So first of all we will know what is a cylinder. Cylinder is a figure formed by rotating a rectangular lamina about its any of side. So we get a solid figure that is called cylinder. So in this we can see this much part is called radius. This length is called radius and this is called its height of the cylinder. Only two things are required to find all the things for cylinder, radius and its height. So let us see volume of cylinder. What will be the volume of cylinder? That will be pi r square into h. Pi r square means base area of this base, that is circular base. So area will be pi r square into height. Area into height is equal to volume. So curved surface area will be 2 pi r h. Now total surface area means curved surface area plus base area. So we have here two bases. One base area is pi r square, so there are two bases, that will be 2 pi r square. Curved surface area 2 pi r h. Added to base area, we take here 2 pi r common, then we get h plus r, 2 pi r into h plus r. This is total surface area of solid cylinder. Now hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means just like a cylindrical pipe. We can say it as a pipe. So here we can see internal radius, that is small r, and external radius, that is capital R. So difference between capital R and small r will be the thickness of the material, thickness of the pipe. So thickness of metal pipe is capital R minus small r, that is external radius minus internal radius. Then volume of hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder will be equal to volume of metal used. How much metal is used, that will be the volume of hollow cylinder. So it will be external volume minus internal volume. So external volume is pi capital R square h and internal volume will be pi small r square h. So we subtract, taken pi and h common, so we get pi capital R square minus small r square into h. That will be volume of hollow cylinder. It means that is volume of metal used. Then curved surface area. That means internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area. So then in this we can take out common 2 pi into h. Then what is left? Capital R plus small r will be left in one bracket. That will be curved surface area of hollow cylinder. Then total surface area will be equal to curved surface area plus area of two bases. So base are rings. Area of one ring is pi capital R square minus small r square. This is area of ring. This we have studied in circles. So now we have two circular bases which are in the ring form. So we get area of bases 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Then curved surface area we have already got 2 pi h and r plus r, and this can be written, this portion can be written 2 pi or capital R square minus small r square, that is capital R plus small r, and 2 capital R minus small r. So here we can take 2 pi capital R plus small r common, so only left h plus capital R minus small r. So let us start exercise 21a. Question number 1. Find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cylinder whose height is 16 centimeter and radius 10.5 centimeter. So curved surface area is equal to, we know that 2 pi RH. So we have put here the values, 2 as it is, pi that is 22 upon 7, r given 10.5 and h given 16 centimeter. So we calculate it, we get curved surface area 1056 centimeter square. Then total surface area, that is curved surface area plus area of bases. So we can see curved surface area we have got 1056 plus area of bases, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7, r square that is 10.5 into 10.5. This we get on calculation 693. So 1056 plus 693, that is equal to 1749 centimeter square. Then volume equal to pi r square h. Pi that is 22 upon 7, r square means 10.5 into 10.5, h that is given 16. So calculation we get 5544 centimeter cube. That will be its volume. Let us take question number 3. Find the weight of solid cylinder of radius 10.5 centimeter and height 60 centimeter. If material of the cylinder weighs 5 gram per centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder. So let us see volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Pi 22 upon 7, r square again we have put 10.5 and 10.5, and h is given 60 centimeter. On calculation we get volume equal to 20,790 centimeter cube, that is volume of cylinder. Now we know that volume, weight of cylinder will be volume into its density. Density given 5 gram per centimeter cube. Weight of 1 gram metal is, weight of 1 centimeter cube metal is 5 gram. So weight of 20,790 centimeter cube will be multiplied by 5. So we get 103950 gram. This total weight in grams. Now divided by 1000. So we get it 103.950 kilogram. The weight in kilogram. Let us take question number 5, first part. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 4400 centimeter square and circumference of its base is 110 centimeter. Find the height and the volume of cylinder. So here given circumference of base 110, that is 2 pi r, that is circumference of base. 2 pi r equal to 110. So r equal to 110 upon 2 pi. Now we will put the value of pi here. So 110 upon 2, value of pi is 22 upon 7. So 22 written down and 7 gone up. So on calculation we get r equal to 17.5 centimeter. Now it is given curved surface area, that is 4400. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH equal to 4400. Value of 2 pi r, that is circumference of base. Value of 2 pi r, that is given 110. 110 into h equal to 4400. So h is equal to 4400 upon 110, that we get 40 centimeter. Height is 40 centimeter. Now we have to find its volume. So we know that volume equal to pi r square h. We have got both the values r and h. So value of pi 22 upon 7, r square 17.5 into 17.5 into h, that is 40. So on calculation we get 38,500 centimeter cube will be the volume. Now let us take question number 6. Total surface area of solid cylinder is 462 centimeter square and its curved surface area is 1/3 of total surface area. Find the volume of the cylinder. Here total surface area that is given 2 pi r h plus r. It means it can be written 2 pi r h plus pi r is 2 pi r square. We can write it 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, that is equal to 462. It is given. So curved surface area is 1/3 of 462, 1/3 of total surface area, that is 462 upon 3, that is 154. We know that curved surface area 2 pi r h is equal to 154. Now we know that total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square equal to 462. Value of 2 pi r h is 154. 2 pi r square as it is equal to 462. So 2 pi r square equal to 462 minus 154. So on subtraction we get 308. So r square equal to 308 upon 2 pi. Now we have to put the value of pi. So we have put here 22 upon 7. On calculation we get r square equal to 49. So r equal to under root 49, that is 7 centimeter. We have got radius equal to 7 centimeter. Now it is given 2 pi r h is equal to 154. That is curved surface area 2 pi r h equal to 154. So we have put here all the values. 2 pi into r, that is 7, into h. So we get h is equal to 154 upon 2 pi. So we have put here 2 pi into 7, that is 2 pi means 2 into 7 14, and pi also down. So pi ka value we have put here 22 upon 7. On calculation we get h equal to 3.5 centimeter. So volume equal to pi r square h, that is 22 upon 7 pi r square. R we got 7 into 7 and h we have got 3.5. So we are getting 539 centimeter cube will be its volume. Let us take question number 9. Find the total surface area of hollow cylinder open at both ends if its length is 12 centimeter, external diameter 8 centimeter and thickness is 2 centimeter. Here external diameter given. So first we find out external radius. Radius equal to diameter upon 2. So 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. We have got external radius. Then thickness is given 2 centimeter. So small r, that is internal radius, that is external radius minus thickness, 4 minus 2. So we get it 2 centimeter and length is given 12 centimeter. We can say it height equal to 12 centimeter. Then total surface area of hollow cylinder. So in formula I told 2 pi capital R plus small r into h plus r minus small r. So we have to just put all the values. 2 pi 22 upon 7, capital R 4, small r 2, h 12, capital R 4, small r 2. So first thing we get 2 pi 4 plus 2, that is 6, and 12 plus 4 16 minus 2, that is 14. So on calculation we get, multiply all the numerators, so we get 3696 and upon 7 divided by 7, so we get 529 centimeter square. That will be total surface area of hollow cylinder.